Guys, welcome to our channel post. You all are watching our new YouTube channel post, that is Perseverance Until Success Happens. We all know what is perseverance and what success means to one and all. This is Kumar Puskal, and today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics of UPSC, BPSC, UPPCS and other civil services examination. So our topic of today is political science and polity. So political science and polity. You would get confused about that this word political science and polity are same or both are different. There is a slight difference between these two, but when we study as a general term, these two are taken as a individual term. So political science is the study, research and reconsideration of existing notions of political power, right and responsibilities. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि पॉलिटिकल साइंस में आप जो भी पॉलिटिकल पावर और उसके राइट और उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ के बारे में है उसके बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे। जैसे कि चाणक्य नीति। चाणक्य नीति में हम जानते हैं कि चाणक्य नीति अर्थशास्त्र या कौटिल्य नीति क्या है और ये किसके द्वारा लिखी गई है। चाणक्य नीति आचार्य चाणक्य के द्वारा लिखी गई है और ये अशोका के फोर फादर चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के काल की लिखी हुई रचना है। तो चाणक्य नीति में हम पढ़ते हैं कि हमने पॉलिटिकल पावर के बारे में विचार और क्या अभिव्यक्ति थी, क्या साधन था और उसके बारे में किस तरह से अपने विचार रखे गए थे। सो पॉलिटिकल साइंस हैज़ अ डिफरेंट पैरामीटर ऑफ कंपैरिजन विद द पॉलिटी। तो हम लोग को पहले ये भी जानना होगा कि पॉलिटी क्या होता है। सो पॉलिटी इज द सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ that would work towards framing and implementing policies and strategies to achieve goals of nationwide development, peace and security. For example, constitution. So constitution consists of legislature, executive and what other is judiciary. So these are the three basic components, main components of constitution. So political science and polity are defined and differentiated on different parameters. So political science is the study of various political ideas, thoughts, affiliations to work out on policies, whereas polity is the governing body that puts the political theories and philosophies into work. So polity is the governing body, that is either a legislature, executive or judiciary, whereas political science is a notion or a thought. What is the need? So the need of political science arises due to the demand of a polished society and accountable administration.